Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Island. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see how to solve the problems when there are two or three lines are intersecting each other. So first I will tell you two properties that we will use while two or three lines are intersecting each other. First is vertically opposite angle property, vertically opposite angle, and the second one is linear pair. So first we will see vertically opposite angle. I'll show you the scissor. See, this is the scissor and here you can see this is the sharpened edge of the scissor and this is the handle. Okay. So when we are opening it like this, so this angle and opposite to this angle shape is formed. So this angle and this angle will be vertically opposite angles will be always equal. This pair and this pair, there will be always two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now next is linear pair. So linear pair, if there is a straight line, okay, if there is a straight line and there are so many angles, here I can say, you can see only there is one ray of one line. If there is one more line, suppose, so 1 2 3 three angles, so these all angles sum will be always 180. Okay, I'll show you through diagram. If there is a one straight line and there are so many, suppose rays are intersecting at one point, okay, so all angle sum will be always 180. This is called as the linear pair. Okay, it can be either one ray, it can be the two. How many angles it is made here? All the sum will be 180. So this is called linear pair. Now we will use these two properties only to solve this question. Let's see how we will solve. So this question is from exercise 8.3 R.D. Sharma, question number 4. Find the value of x. As you can see, there are 1 AB, 2 CD and third EF. Three lines are intersecting at a same point O. And the value of these angles are given. We have to find out the value of x. Okay. So here first we can see, if I see this CD line, okay, and if I have to use a linear pair, so one angle is here, one angle is given, this angle we need to find out. Okay. So this angle I have to find out, but here if I see this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. So can I say this is also 5x? So we will solve it that way. So as angle FOB equals to angle AOE. Why it is so? Because they are vertically opposite angle. If you remember the scissor, these are the two lines, so they are intersecting at a one point. So this angle and they both are in the vertical position, so they are vertically opposite. So they both will be equal. So vertically opposite angles. That's why the value of angle AOE is also 5x. Okay. Now, as we know, this is a one line CD. Okay. So if I'll do now, I can say angle COA, this one, plus angle AOE and plus angle EOD 180. Why? Because they are making linear pair, means CD is a straight line and these angles are formed here only by intersecting at a single point. So I can say this is a linear pair. That's why they are 180. Now I'll keep the values. COA we already know is 3x. AOE we already know it's 5x. And EOD is already given 2x is equal to 180. Now we will further calculate 3x, 5x, 2x. We have to get sum. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 10x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 upon 10. 0, 0 will be cut. So the value will be 18 degree. So the value of x is equal to 18 degree. This is your answer. So this is how we solve these types of question. Going to see next question, question number 9 from exercise 8.3. So here three lines AB, CD and EF are intersecting at one point O and two angles measure is given AOE and BOD. We need to find other angles measure. Okay. So here also again we will use the same two properties, linear pair and vertically opposite angle. So first here I can see, if I have to find out the value of this, I can use a linear pair because this is AB is a straight line and two angles value is given. So third I can find out. So here I can write angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle DOB is equal to 180. Why? Because it's a linear pair. You have to always mention in a bracket what a property we are using. Okay. So this is 180 because of linear pair. Now AOE is given 40 degree. EOD we need to find out. And DOB is given 35. 180. So now we will solve further. 40 plus 35 will give us 75. 180. Then angle EOD will be 180 minus 75 and angle EOD is equal to 105. Okay. So we found the value of EOD. EOD is equal to 105 degree. Now we need to find other three. Okay. So if you see this carefully, you can see all the other angles are vertically opposite of the known angles. Here, if I see here, angle EOD is vertically opposite to COE. So angle EOD equal to angle COF equals to 105 degree. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angle. The same way, if I see angle AOE is equals to angle BOF, you can write anyway, BOF or FOB. So angle AOE equals to angle FOB equals to 40 degree, vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now again, which is left? This one here also. Angle BOD equals to angle COA. BOD equals to angle COA is equal to 35 degree. Same, vertically opposite angle. So like this, you can find out the value of angles. If there are 2 or 3 lines are intersecting each other, so first, if you have to find out the value, you need to see, okay, which property you can use. So basically, 2 properties we used at the most, linear pair and vertically opposite angle. If there will be parallel lines, then we will use the other properties. But here you can use these both. So like this, you can solve the problem. I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, kindly write in your comments. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys.